RAW files. I'm sure that it's been in your head, should I shoot RAW or should I shoot JPEG? And there are thousands of reasons for and against, but I'm going to give you just one main reason why you should shoot RAW, or if you are intent on those fast quick JPEGs, always shoot RAW and JPEG. And it's a simple, easy reason. I know you've just been to Little Johnny's football match and you've got 2,500 RAW files to process. It's daunting, nobody wants to do it. I could probably understand there why you want RAW and JPEG. But I'll tell you what happened to me recently. I found some old files on a memory card that were shot in RAW. Some photos I hadn't seen in ages. Photos that I didn't even bother to process at the time. But after that amount of time had gone past, they were actually quite interesting to me. So I threw them in the latest version of Lightroom. And as your knowledge, as your skill, and as the software improves, I was able to once again manipulate those RAW files that were old, and bring them some amazing life. That is one, the most important reason, because as you go through your photography experience, whether it's professional, amateur or casual, if you get any kind of interest in it at all, you will start to learn how to process RAW. And then as time goes on, you'll get better and better and better. And then you can take those old files from back in the day and make them into masterpieces once again. And I think that is one of the main reasons for shooting RAW, is that you can just come back to them, change them, and it's all non-destructive. That for me is the key. If it is thousands of images, you can use Capture One, which does some very nice processing immediately as soon as you go into that RAW, and you could, if you wanted to, you could just put them in Capture One and export them out as JPEGs. That's fine, but at least you've always got the key to that secret, that RAW file. As usual guys, it's been emotional.